What other diversification do you see apart from US debt? It was the 3% yield that caught your eye. We're seeing today moves and into UK gilts, for example. Where else are you seeing the haven opportunities?
We have really been focusing on US debt because that is, for us as a US investment team, very easy for us to execute and transact in, and is the classic response. But I would agree that, again, currencies that aren't necessarily going to be caught in contagion from this, i.e. non-European currencies, could also potentially benefit.
And looking a little bit more at European currencies, looking at the euro, for example, we are seeing it trading below its 200-day moving average. We are seeing it in oversold territory. Do you think that the euro will go lower versus the US dollar?
You know, one of our big investment themes is dollar strength, and to the extent to which that dollar strength is going to persist, I think you can look at a whole bunch of things in the U.S. economy that would say we are going to continue to see the Fed hiking, and we are going to continue to see reasons for the dollar to strengthen on its own, irrespective of tension happening somewhere else. If those dynamics get even more acute and the euro comes under even more pressure for geopolitical reasons, yeah, we think that could continue.
It would appear that the indices came off their lows when we saw the consumer confidence a little bit better than last month, although it should be said that expectations were lower. How concerned are you about the fundamentals of the U.S. economy?
So we think we're in late cycle or moving into late cycle, but we're not all the way there yet. So when we look at our heat map of indices about mid-cycle and late cycle, sort of they're showing half mid, half late. We do think that we are closer to the end of this expansion, but it's been going on for so long that we don't yet see a catalyst that tells us that this is over. And so we think we could stay here for another 12, 18 months in this sort of late stage with no really acute warning signs flashing. Is the rate of expansion diminishing? Yes. So you can think about the accelerator is being pulled back a little bit, but it's still, we're still pressing on the gas, just not as much as we were, if you think about the economy as a car, right? So the rate of acceleration is slowing, but it's still accelerating. So we think it can last a while longer.